I heard Converse made a pair of Bird shoes for last year's MVP.
Yep.
When they made a pair of Magic shoes for this year's MVP.
Okay, Magic, show me what you got.
Perhaps we've never seen a final game with two greater individual players than Larry Bird, the Player of the Year from Indiana State, and the Magic Man from East Lansing, Irvin Johnson.
You know, a lot of people were surprised yesterday, Larry, when you mentioned that you played ball with Magic Johnson in the World Invitational Tournament.
Well, you know, me and Magic played together in that game, and you know, it's funny because Magic's such a great passer, but he wouldn't give me the ball. And, you know, and I need the ball.
Well, I hope he don't think I'm gonna pass it to him tonight either. But I thought I passed him the ball. Maybe he forgot it. Or
Rebound Johnson. Magic Johnson with the ball. Oh, he scores! And he is fouled. Look at Irvin Magic Johnson. 4 minutes gone. Bird. Oh, what a shooter.
Bob Heaton is not a guard. He can play guard and play forward.
Bird inside to score. College basketball's Player of the Year, Larry Bird, has 6 points.
They don't give Magic Johnson a ball until he gets into the offensive end of the court.
Johnson from Kelser scores. Got a break.
You take the foul line all the way to the side of the court. Here's the foul.
Bird tips it in. Larry Bird using that left hand. Remember, he has a broken left thumb on that left hand. 18-12, Michigan State with the ball and the lead. Magic Johnson from 15, and he loves to hit that backboard. The secondary players are not hitting that perimeter shot. Oh, Bird!
Great play by Bird.
And he saves it.
That was an alley-oop pass almost, trying to get it into Kelson.
There's that man-to-man out of bounds again, Al. Bird with a block. Heaton can't save it.
The state scores here. Indiana has to call a timeout.
And Magic Johnson hanging and hitting a 12-footer. Anytime Larry Bird touches it, there's about 3 people in his area. Bird, left alone, he's automatic.
Little over 5 minutes left to go for the half.
Kelser off to Johnson, wide open. Kelser has become the assist man. Rebound Charles. Johnson, 3-on-1.
Here it comes.
The alley-oop to Greg Kelser. And he gets it back. Keys it to Bird. Bird. Oh! Here comes your Moe. Johnson maneuvering. Hits the little easy 5-footer. Something Johnny Heathcote just has to do. Bird. 52-46 in Indiana State. 7-point Spartan lead. Trying to run out that clock now. And here goes Johnson. And the foul is on number 30 of Indiana State, Bob Heaton. He can't believe it. Good backdoor move. And it split out fairly well. And everybody expected Johnson to come to the ball. Goes backdoor. Here he is. Heaton waiting on him when we get back to that call. 21 points for Magic Johnson. A 4-point play. And Michigan State has an 11-point lead. Bird hits a short leg. Boy, a lot of heart out here in the part of both of these ball clubs right now. That was almost the kind of shot he beat Arkansas with. Gilbert inside. Great play by Johnson. He stole the ball. The Magic Man pulled out the rabbit. Well, that Reed has hit 3 long. Oh, there's the pass. Look at Johnson. Let's go. It's all over. Michigan State University, national champions, 1979. They chant that cry on every campus in every sport. Everyone wants it.
He was the most motivated player I ever saw.
Larry Bird is one of the biggest trash talkers ever.
Larry was a basketball genius. A mask of a hick from Finch Lick out as his calling card. And if you believe that for 1 second, you were going to get beaten. 10 seconds. We'll walk out, and Larry said, I'm gonna get it right here, Ed, and I'm gonna shoot it in your face. He hit it, and he looked at me, and he was like, damn, I didn't mean to leave nothing on the clock.
That's the first three-point contest, and says, I'm just looking to see who's gonna finish second.
This is a tie for the money.
It's absolutely unbelievable. Dominique guarded him, Cliff guarded him, Antoine Carr guarded him, I guarded him. Nothing worked.
Bird with 8 seconds. Bird on the drive. The runner is good again. Larry Bird is just unconscious.
He called it. He said rainbow trainer's lap.
And Bird falls into just a smile that lights up a television screen from here to Bangor, Maine. One of the greatest players of all time, Magic Johnson. It's showtime.
He had a passion, an incredible passion to play basketball. He loved the game. He loved to entertain the crowd.
Magic's just a great basketball player. He's the best I've ever seen.
He was my driving force.
I just don't think there'll ever be another 6'9" point guard that smiles while he humiliates you.
Now the ball in low to Magic Johnson. No, look to Kareem Star. Lakers, Magic Johnson has it against Sellers. Down the lane to the hook. Plays it in. Draws the foul. A spectacular play by Magic Johnson. Back with a showtime move. Spectacular play.
Magic was the only guy that I've ever seen really throw a no-look pass. Look at a guy, time, look you off, and then hit that guy in the dime without even looking at him.